Hello and welcome dear students. Today's video's topic is note making and summarizing. This topic is very important for class 11 students who are going to give their exams, final exams in the month of February. Now let us first of all see what is note making. Note making is to take the main points and the sub points because we have ideas and then we have sub ideas. Main points and the sub points from a text or from a passage, whatever you have with you, maybe a chapter, maybe a passage in your exam, that is called a text, children. To revise it or refer to it later in exam, we are told to read a passage and then make notes and then write abbreviations and then write the summary of that. Children, in this video, I will tell you each and everything about the format of the note making, the layout, the abbreviations, how to make abbreviations. What actually the children do in the paper, they make a long list of abbreviations, at least 15-20. And how to write the summary, I will tell you everything in detail. Listen very carefully and see the full video. Children, trust me, you can score full marks in this question. Now let us know the marking of this question. Children, this question is of 8 marks in your paper. Notes carry 5 marks and summary is of 3 marks, children. In this notes, children, title 1 mark, numbering and indentation 1 mark, key to abbreviations carries 1 mark, notes 2 marks, total 5, and summary, children, 2 marks for content and 1 mark for expressions. Now children, how to make notes? Read the passage very carefully to know the theme or the title of the passage and then underline the important ideas, important points. Note down the main points. You have to underline because these main points will give you the subheadings and the points. Then you can use colons or long dash when you are explaining your or writing your points or sub-points, and try to give 4 subheadings. You can write 3-4 points under the subheadings, children. And you have to give sub-points for points if required. It is not compulsory that you have to write the subheadings if required. Otherwise, you can skip it. Then, children, comes your abbreviation box and summary is to be written in the prescribed word limit. Now, let us know the characteristics of notes. Notes should be very short. We are not writing it in full sentences. They should talk about the main points, the main ideas in the passage. Should be in points and sub-points. Must make sense when you read again. You should be able to understand what you have written, what is there in the passage while you make notes. And abbreviations to be used. Why do we use abbreviations, children? To save our time. We don't have to write long words. We make short words, means abbreviations, and then make our notes. You must know what is this abbreviation for. Which word? This abbreviation means this word. You have to be careful about everything. Children, your notes must have phrases, not the sentences. It should have a suitable title. First of all, title. And then we start making notes with phrases, not the sentences. Subheading. Then we write the points numbered properly. And then the sub-points that refer to the main points, children. You have to be careful about indentation, that is called spacing, children. I will tell you what is this while I will give you the format. And then abbreviations. Be careful, children. You must avoid the repetition of ideas. You don't have to write one thing again and again. And we don't write people's comments and quotes and examples in the notes. You have to write the summary in complete sentences and you must adhere to the word limit. Now we come to the format of note making. Children, first of all, you have to give it a heading or a title. What is the passage about? And then I told you that you have to underline the main points, main ideas in the passage. Children, those main ideas will give you the subheadings. I will suggest you not to write more than 4 subheadings. Okay, you will start with first subheading. Under those subheadings, what are the main points? that you have to mention here as 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. This is children called numbering. Subheading number 1, and then under those subheadings you are writing the points, giving them numbers 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. And children, when you will write the second subheading, then you will write the points as 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Okay, and I would advise you not to go beyond this, because otherwise your notes will be too long and examiner will get irritated. You don't have to make the checker, okay, feel so irritated with your lengthy notes. Be careful about this, children. Okay, now second subheading 2.2, then third. And what is indentation, children? You can see those red lines here. See, equal space for points and equal space for sub-points. You can see here 2.1, 2.2, equal distance from the margin line, children. You have to see from the margin line. And then all the sub-points, 2.2.1 and 3.2.1, you can see they are at equal distance from the margin line. This way, children, you have to take care of spacing or indentation. And I told you that 4 subheadings, then you will go up to, and your points can have sub-points, children. Okay, you can write the sub-points anywhere, maybe after 4.1 means first point, or maybe after third point or second point. It's you or as per the text, children. Okay, after this we come to the abbreviations, children. For abbreviations, you have to make a box. You can make, children, 6 abbreviations or as per the question. Give the box a heading, children. Key to abbreviations, serial number, word, and then abbreviation. Okay, this way you have to make the box and write your abbreviations, children. It is a must, children. Making box is a must. Now I tell you, children, how to make abbreviations, your own abbreviations. Suppose there is this word required. See, children, first 3 letters and then the last letter. R-E-Q-D. After that you can put a dot. Then is reputation. First 3 letters, then in between 1 letter and then last one. This way, children, you can make your own abbreviation. See, abbreviation of brilliant. First 3 letters, enough. Unpleasant. See how I have made this abbreviation. Mentally. Unhurting. But there are, children, some words, those who have set abbreviations. BA, Bachelor of Arts. MA, Master of Arts. OTP, one-time password. Doctor, we know, DR. Government, GOVT. United States of America, USA, MSc, Masters of Science. And CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. This way, children, we have some set abbreviations and we have to use the same. See here, children, this is the way you have to present your notes in your answer sheet. And summary as per the question, children. The word limit as per the question. 80 words or 100 words in full sentences without any abbreviation. I hope, children, you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching my video.